everyone, so today we are going to be cleaning the Lasko Elegance and Performance Series pedestal fan. So this also came out of storage, so let's test it first. This is the next day actually. I'm not sure about cleaning the pattern, it needs like zip ties. This one had zip ties but I cut them off because I know how to put these clips on, but my mom and dad don't. Come on, get in the outlet. Sorry, this poor won't get in the outlet. There we go. Okay, start on wall. This one actually is really powerful. Not as powerful as the pattern. This is very cheap though. Very cheap construction. Go. Okay, I'm gonna unplug this, then we're gonna clean this thing up a bit. Yeah, I cut off the zip ties. So this grill has clips, so it just snaps right off. I actually sort of struggled putting these on, but I actually got it. Yeah, it just falls right off like that. Then your access to the blade. Loosen it this way because it says tighten that way. There you go. Then pop the blade out. You can see it has a long shaft. And it spins freely, but it's very thin. That's what I noticed. Just look how flimsy. Look how flimsy Lasko makes blades. Lasko needs to work on their blades. They're really flimsy. This is a big knob. It's bigger than my hand. Look at this fin, you guys. It's huge. Well, it's an 18-inch pedestal fan. Normally 18-inch pedestal fans don't really come apart like this. Well, Lasko's does. Okay, we got it apart. Of course, it has that tiny glory motor. Doesn't have the Supreme, it has glory. Move this out of the way. I'll move it over there. Okay, I'm going to move the camera in 1 second. I need to get a rag too. Move that. And I can move this a little bit. I'm not going to clean off these parts. Just the grills and the blade. Okay. This one's slightly different. This one's a different rag. Oops. Okay. Oh, I forgot the cleaner. Darn. Oh, darn. I spread it on my hand. I'm swiping on the cardboard. That's why I have it. Because the cleaner goes everywhere. Which of course will happen. Okay. Swipe off the front grill. Yes, this is very cheap. It can break easily, but it pulls a good amount, a lot of air. Probably not as much as that pattern, but a ton. has a blue plug, which they should have never invented. Blue plug. Well, my favorite color is blue, so yes, I do like the look of it, but it's a bad invention. Because this kills the motor, so it will only last you like 5 years. Wait, I got it back here now. There we go. Now get the glue. The other glue, I meant not glue. Back glue. Okay. Wipe it off. This one's hardly dirty. Oh, and I cut the zip ties off with a wire cutter. Okay. Now let's do this side. This side has no dirt, so I'm just going to spray a little bit. There we go. Now let's do the blade. I'm not doing the middle anymore, guys. Just gonna do the back. Just make sure it's sun. I do see a tiny bit of dust on these that just goes off. Nothing major. That's why I'm putting like no cleaner, because it's just gonna clean itself. Wait, is this one cleaned? Yeah. Now I'll move on to this side. Can just slide down here. Okay. There is some dust on the blades, actually. Then I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry. There you go. Now I'm gonna wait for the parts to dry. Is the video still on? Yeah. But here's this West Point all clean. You can see the padding here only has the clip and no zip ties, and I don't know where we even have zip ties. Okay, I'm just gonna check how the back glue is. It's not dry back here because I can't like really dry it off with the back. I'm gonna do this off camera, okay, guys? I've done a lot on camera, huh? Okay. Still wet back here, right? Yeah, it's still quite wet back here. This is the part where it hits the motor, so yeah. I don't want anything on that. Okay, I'll make a part 2 video of assembling this because it needs to dry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.